Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crumble pumpkin pie. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to start by chopping your nuts, and you'll want to chop them pretty small. Once you're done, set them aside. To get started on the crumble, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your butter, flour, demerara sugar and spices, then rub them all together until you have a crumble-like consistency that looks a little something like this. Then once you're done, you can add in the nuts and just mix those in until they are fairly distributed throughout the mixture. Then set aside until needed later on. You can then go ahead and roll out your pastry until you have the right thickness, which for me is around 5 to 7 millimeters. Then place it into your tart tin and press it into place. If you have any cracks or breaks, fill them in with the excess pastry that you have. With the excess pastry, you'll want to trim away, so just take a sharp knife and trim away the excess from the edge, and just do that until you're happy and you have a neat, clean edge. You can then go ahead and chill this in the fridge until needed later on. So to make the pumpkin pie filling, you'll want to grab yourself a bowl and place in all of your pumpkin puree, followed by the eggs, the evaporated milk, light brown sugar and the spices, not forgetting the flour, and mix everything together until it's fully combined. I do this using a hand whisk, but feel free to use an electric mixer if you need to. You can then go ahead and pour the pumpkin pie filling into the pie crust that you made earlier on, and it will come right up to the top, but then you'll want to bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, take your crumble topping and just sprinkle it over the top, giving an even coating all over, and then bake it off for the remainder of time. That will be on the blog post link below. Then once your pie is cooled fully, you can go ahead and cut into it. You want to leave it to cool, as otherwise the filling won't have settled and it will just be a gloopy mess if you try and cut it before that. So allow it to cool fully and don't be impatient. So here is what the pumpkin pie looks like once it's baked, fully cooled and ready to be sliced up. You've got a perfectly baked crust, followed by the perfect pumpkin pie filling and then a crumble topping. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.